Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to see a phonical story about an ant and an ape. Let's see what the story is. The name of the story is Amy and Abby. Long time ago, there was an ant. Her name was Amy. Amy was a very active ant. Amy loved to eat apples. One day, Amy climbed on an apple tree to eat apple. There, she saw an ape. She went there and asked the ape, "What is your name?" The ape said, "My name is Abby." Amy and Abby became best friends and ate apples together. Thank you. If you want to see more phonical stories of all the letters, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.